Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, as one of the oldest newspapers in the subcontinent, the Hindu has contributed immensely to the nation building. Fired by a nationalist impulse, six intrepid youth of Madras, barely out of their teens, founded the Hindu in 1878 to redeem our cultural pride. They challenged the imperial power at its peak and nourished nationalism. Since then, the story of the Hindu's journey is quite instructive for those who wish to understand the spirit of India, that is Bharat. Readers too responded enthusiastically. For many in Chennai and elsewhere, the morning came to mean a cup of filter coffer and a copy of the Hindu. One of this newspaper's avid readers was the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi himself. When the Hindu celebrated its golden jubilee in 1928, Gandhiji wrote, and I quote, I gladly add mine to the many tributes that will be paid to the Hindu on its golden jubilee. I consider the Hindu to be one of the best, if not the best, among the Indian owned dailies throughout India. Gandhiji's insistence on truth, that is, satyagrah, was based on his unique understanding of truth. Gandhiji, as we all know, was a journalist too and edited a range of journals in several languages in South Africa as well as in India. His journalism was journalism with a cause, yet he was deeply aware of the cause of journalism itself too, which is simply truth itself. That is why he cautioned against the superficiality, the one sidedness, the inaccuracy, and often even dishonesty that had crept into journalism. As he evolved from Mohandas to Mahatma, truth with a capital T became his sole cause, sole quest. Sometimes dogmas and personal prejudices distort the truth. In the 150th year of Gandhiji's birth, let us ponder upon this question. Will it not be proper to pursue truth itself as the ideology? Gandhiji has shown us the path by walking ceaselessly in search of truth, which would ultimately encompass every positive attribute that enriches the universe. Today, however, we seem to be living in what has come to be called the post truth era. I wonder what Gandhiji would have said about it. Of late, there have been attempts to give various shades to truth and defines its stages as if some final truth exists beyond provisional truths. To my mind, such attempts are nothing more than indulgence in semantics. Truth exists in absolute form which cannot be eclipsed by blinkers of prejudices. It cannot be a case of your truth versus my truth. Truth has to be one. Stop. Thank you.